Good morning. In the earlier lecture, we have completed a second unit. Let us move to the third unit. It is about modulation and demodulation. Our next unit, modulation and demodulation. This unit is important because for communication purpose, modulation and demodulation is very essential. Nowadays, we are having information from all sides very quickly, maybe from the same town, the same city, maybe from the home district, maybe from the home state, maybe from the whole country, maybe from across the world. All these things are possible. The communication is very fast. If you want to talk with some relative living far off from you, maybe in other city, maybe in other state, maybe in other country, within second you can call that person and talk with that person. If cricket match or football match is going on in some other country, you can have the live session of these matches on TV. So all sorts of these communications is possible because of modulation and demodulation. One more thing, what intelligence we are getting from the communication may be audio information, may be video information. The wavelength and the frequency of audio and video information is not too large, very small. The antennas needed for propagation of such intelligence, that is for receiving such intelligence or for transmitting such intelligence, length of antenna needed is very long, which is not feasible to construct such antennas. We want the information to be sent very quickly to far off places. We want to receive the information very quickly from far off places. This is possible if and only if the information you are sending must travel with very high velocity, with velocity of light. This is possible if the information you wanted to send should be in electromagnetic form. These things are possible by modulation with the help of antennas, by modulation and demodulation with the help of the transmitting and receiving stations. Actually, there is much more to tell you about general idea why to study this modulation and demodulation. But because of the restricted time, let me start this chapter. The first article is about introduction of modulation. Introduction. Modulation. Modulation is a process of producing a wave in which some character of a voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value of some other voltage. Modulation is the process of producing a wave in which some character such as amplitude or frequency or phase of a high frequency voltage is to be changed. One of these three parameters is to be changed in accordance with instantaneous value of the low frequency voltage. This low frequency voltage is known as modulating voltage. The high frequency voltage, some parameter of which like amplitude, frequency or phase is to be changed, is to be varied. That voltage is known as carrier voltage. That waveform will be carrier waveform. The instantaneous voltage which is going to change some character of the carrier voltage is known as modulating voltage, and the voltage we obtain after modulation is modulation voltage. So, modulation is the process of producing a waveform in which some character, some parameter of a high frequency voltage known as carrier voltage such as amplitude, frequency or phase is to be varied in accordance with instantaneous value of a low frequency voltage known as modulating voltage or modulating signal. Modulating voltage or modulating signal is having the intelligence we want to send or we want to receive, which is low frequency. So, it will be audio information or audio video information. The carrier voltage is high frequency voltage which is used to carry this information from one place to other place. This modulated voltage is after amplification, transmitting station is there, transmitting system is there. When this passes through the transmitting system, the final element is antenna. This antenna send this voltage in the form of electromagnetic waves into the space, and these electromagnetic waves spread all along the universe with the velocity of light, all along the earth with the velocity of light. The receiving stations are having again antennas and the instruments, various blocks of the receiving station. This receiving antenna intercepts that electromagnetic information of particular frequency, convert it into a voltage. This voltage will be very, very small. This voltage will be amplified, then demodulated. After demodulation, whatever information is there, that information is extracted, and extracted information is given to some transducer, audio transducer or video transducer, that is to speaker or to the screen, video screen. That way it is possible for having very fast communication between villages, between cities, between states, between countries, even between planets. Very fast communication is possible because of modulation and demodulation. This is about introduction of modulation. The next article is types of modulation. Depending on which parameter, which character of the carrier voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage, we have three types of modulation processes. These are there are three types of modulation depending on which character of the carrier voltage is varied in accordance with the instantaneous value of the modulating voltage. And these types are: number one, amplitude modulation; number two, frequency modulation; number three, phase modulation. Number one, amplitude modulation; number two, frequency modulation; number three, phase modulation. In amplitude modulation, amplitude of the carrier voltage is varied in accordance with the instantaneous value of the modulating voltage. Let me make definition for amplitude modulation, definition for frequency modulation, definition for phase modulation. Definition for AM or amplitude modulation. Definition for AM or amplitude modulation. AM or amplitude modulation is the process of production of AM wave, amplitude modulated wave, in which amplitude of the carrier voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage when frequency and phase of the carrier voltage is held constant. Amplitude modulation is process of producing a wave which is known as amplitude modulated wave. In amplitude modulation, amplitude of the carrier voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage. Here, frequency and phase of the carrier voltage is kept constant. This is known as amplitude modulation. Then, second category, second group, frequency modulation. Frequency modulation is the process of producing a modulated wave. Frequency modulated wave. Frequency modulation is the process of producing a frequency modulated wave. Frequency modulation is defined as frequency modulation is defined as the variation of frequency of carrier voltage in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage when amplitude and phase of the carrier voltage is held constant. Frequency modulation is the process of getting frequency modulated wave. Frequency modulation is defined as the process in which frequency of carrier voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage when amplitude and phase of the carrier voltage is held constant. Third type, phase modulation. Phase modulation is the process of getting phase modulated voltage. Phase modulation is the process of producing phase modulated voltage. Phase modulation is defined as the process in which phase of carrier voltage is varied in accordance with amplitude in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage when amplitude and frequency of carrier voltage is held constant. Let me repeat all the three definitions. Amplitude modulation is the process in which amplitude of carrier voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage when frequency and phase of carrier voltage are held constant. Second, frequency modulation is defined as the process in which frequency of the carrier voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage when amplitude and phase of the carrier voltage are held constant. Third one, phase modulation is defined as the process in which phase of the carrier voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage when amplitude and frequency of the carrier voltage are held constant. These are the three types of modulation. These are the three types of modulation. This is about introduction of modulation and types of modulation. Hope you got it. In the next lecture, we shall go for expression for amplitude modulation. Thank you.